What's good, Tube? This your boy Teddy B Blackman Reactions, and yeah, I got me today, man. 2 for 1 on these reaction slash review slash unboxing Jones. This is a Turtle Beach Air Force Recon 50X gaming headset wired. Now, if you need some nice quality headphones for your gaming systems, this works with it's manufactured by Xbox, but it definitely works on PC as well, and more than likely it'll work on PlayStation 2 if I'm not mistaken. It comes with the 3.5 head jack, so you know it doesn't like configure to the Xbox controller. It's just something you plug into the little regular headset jack that most accessories across various systems have. So basically, I've been using this for about a week now, and I think this only costed about $25 or $35. So if you're looking for nice quality headphones without having to go deep into your pockets, this is definitely something to take a look at. As I'll sit the actual headset on top of the box momentarily. I just want to give y'all a quick little deets about it. So it's a 2 ear cup headset, which my last headset I only had 1 ear cup. Basically like looking like a head coach or something of a football team or something like that. So basically it also comes with a microphone which is detachable, which I like and I don't like, because that means like if that piece were to break or anything like that, that replacement piece is probably going to be a tad pricey. But other than that, I like the detachable part, because you know sometimes you don't need the microphone, you just want to listen to something, and you know you can use these regular headphones also, you know what I'm saying? So it's like that's very versatile if you want them to be, you know what I mean? So basically the microphone is clear, it's loud. I take the cushion piece off, as you know, see it's a cushion piece in the picture, but I take mine off because I like to talk into the mic without the cushion, pause. And it's very sensitive, like it picks up on everything, like anything in the background, fans blowing, people talking, it's gonna definitely pick up. It's a nice quality mic, and you'll be able to hear everything too. They're great quality headphones. The only test remaining on these is to see how long they last, you know what I mean? And the last headphones I had, even though they were off-brand, they did last a long time. I've had them for almost about a year if I'm not mistaken, which is great for me because I usually run through them. So we'll see how long this lasts. And other than that, this has been another review slash reaction. So I'm gonna sit these up on there before I get up out of here. Also it comes with, on the headset, it comes with the volume control. It comes with the option that you can mute your mic, you know, and block out your noise. As you can try to put that in the camera frame. It's not going to be framed, is it? It's not going to be focused, but that's the little piece right there. Sorry, it's not focused for you to actually see. But yeah, this is the actual headset. That's the mic, and that's the headset right there. And that little black piece is the adjustable volume and the mute and unmute mic options. And that's about it for this video. Like I said, it's a great headset, bang for your buck. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Got any other questions, you know, drop them in the comments below. And this has been your boy Teddy B Blackman Reactions, and I will holla at y'all later.